Hey, what's up, Bittorrent holder? What's going on? Bittorrent price were fails down. You can see, my friend, minus 3.47%. It's really bad news, my friend. But don't worry, don't worry. Absolutely, I will give you, my friend, something very special information. So I'm 100% sure to if you follow my advices, remember to you will get a very good profit. Remember to I cannot make any financial video. I just make my friend advice video for all of you. So kindly just entertainment and also my friend. So let's get started a brand video. But please, if you are new my channel, first of all, subscribe this channel for more this type video and also press the bell icon for videos notification. So here, as you can see, my friend, just and only check out the highest price of Bittorrent in last 7 days, 0.004 USD dollar. But here, as you can see, my friend, the current price is 0.0039 USD dollar. This is mean, my friends, your price were fails down. But absolutely, you can see, my friend, there is not a big fail. Absolutely, you can see they were fails down for a short time. I hope, my friend, after this short fails, they will again starting pumping up and they will again get a profit. So that's mean to Bittorrent will completely on the front 15.21%. They will get a profit. So this is not a short profit. Absolutely, this is very huge pump, my friend. And I hope in upcoming days they will also get a very good profit like that. But absolutely, if you are hold, if you are starting investing, so this is possible to BTT will give you a profit. Otherwise, they will never give you a profit and they were more fails down. So please, I am 100% sure after the mid of month they will pump up. So therefore, I will notify you to hold down. I hope my friends BTT will give you a profit. See you next time. My opinion is for all of you to hold down. And what's your opinion? Please share it in the comment box. And this is very important for me. So please like the video and don't forget to subscribe this channel. Allah Hafiz. Take care. See you next time.